Hello everyone. Today's recipe is ragi masala dosa. Ragi is also known as ragulu, nachini, kelbaragu and finger millet.
This ragi masala dosa is healthy, tasty and crispy. Do give this a try and let us know what you think.
Preparation of batter. To prepare dosa batter, I am taking 2 cups of ragi. Wash and drain 4 to 5 times until the water is clear. Soak it for 8 hours. Take 1 cup of whole urad dal, wash and drain 2 times and soak it for 8 hours. Grind soaked urad dal to a smooth paste using urad dal soaked water. Grind soaked ragi with sufficient water. You can use urad dal soaked water if any. I am adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Combine both the batters well until it becomes uniform. Bring it to the shown consistency. Ferment the batter in a warm place for 8 to 14 hours. Time taken for fermentation can be 8 hours in summer and may extend up to 14 hours in winter. For better fermentation, wrap it in a thick blanket. You can use Instant Pot too. Set to yogurt mode on low for 8 to 14 hours. Fermented batter becomes light and fluffy. Preparation of potato masala. Pressure cook 1 kilo potato in 2 cups of water and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. For uniform cooking, potato pieces should be in contact with water. Take a thick bottomed pan, add 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 teaspoon mustard, 12 curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of chana dal. Once chana dal turns golden brown, add 8 slit green chilies, 2 cups of chopped onions. Saute it on high flame until onions are tender. Stir it often. Do not brown. I am adding 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Peeled mashed potatoes and combine it well on medium flame. Add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water as needed and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Slightly mash the potato and bring it to the shown consistency. See that potato masala is soft and moist. Transfer it to a vessel. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves.
Preparation of chutney. Take 3/4 cup of fried chana dal, 1/2 cup fresh coconut, salt, 2 guntur chilies, 6 green chilies, 2 garlic pods, 1/2 inch ginger and blend it to a coarse consistency without water. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves and 1 1/4 cup water and blend it to the shown consistency. For seasoning, heat 1 teaspoon oil in a seasoning pan and add 1/4 teaspoon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon urad dal and saute until urad dal turns golden brown. Add this to the chutney and mix it well. Your chutney is ready.
Preparation of ragi masala dosa. Heat a pan, over medium flame. Sprinkle water and wipe off excess oil. Using cast iron pan yields crisper dosas. Pour a ladle full of batter onto the pan and work quickly. Use the back of a ladle and lightly but evenly smear the batter in circles. Add oil and cover it with a lid so that heat is retained and dosa gets cooked well. Reduce the flame to roast the dosa. Once it is roasted, place potato masala and 1 teaspoon unsalted butter. Fold the dosa and serve it hot with chutney. Preparation of ragi ghee roast. Take 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee in a bowl. Mix it well and use this for dosa. Take 3/4 ladle of batter and make thin dosas. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee oil mix and roast it on medium-low flame. Serve this crisp ghee roast with chutney and potato masala.